how to use Yahoo search engine on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use Yahoo search engine on Samsung internet browser. First, then open the browser, and now just click these three lines here in the bottom corner and click settings, and here you will find uh, this one here, address bar search. Just click on it. Now just select Yahoo and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.